Hey guys, I want to talk about Meetup as creating a community as part of your business, or just creating a community period, and share with you what my experience has been like and what that entails. Alright, because I see a lot of business owners just kind of like using that and throwing that as one of the darts to see if it sticks, right? See if that will generate some clients. They don't put a lot of thought and intention into it, and as a result it does not tend to reap the benefits. So let's talk about that. So Meetup is quite interesting. I took Jessie Mays, who's my friend and builder. She's a branding strategist. Her Meetup Mastery course. It's an online course. It was pretty useful. Anyway, and it opened my eyes to how much there's to do when it comes to creating a meetup. So the things that, and I'm just going to run through some of the things that I had to do to create It's Her Business. And it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. So first of all, you have to come up with the strategy and the branding for it, and you have to really do some careful planning around it, like have an intention, have culture for the group, and really put some heart and soul into what you're doing. Okay, so to create a meaningful community of people that really care to meet. Anyway, excuse me. So that's the branding piece of it. Every single event, which we tend to have hours at least 6 months in advance, every single event, there is about 25 different things that need to get done before and after the event. Okay, so, and we have templates for everything, but nevertheless, there's a lot that needs to get done, right? So 4 weeks before the event, email gets sent out. 2 weeks, 1 week, 1 day, the day of, emails go out to people who register as well as people who are not registered, right? Then you have different social media posts and different groups. Then you have, sign-in sheets have to be created, right? So that people, when they come in, they sign up. Banners for the specific event. So when you come in and you see the nice banner, if you're a presenter, you see your picture on it and so on. You need to, what else do we do? Oh, we send follow-ups to people who didn't show up. We post pictures. We have a Facebook group that is linked to our Meetup group. So everybody who attended then gets an invite to join our Facebook group. Oh gosh, there's so much, right? They get added to our email nurture campaign, so on and so forth. There's so many pieces that get done, right? We have to take pictures during the event. We have to take pictures of the sign-in sheet. I usually text it to Jay. She logs all the email addresses, processes them, all that stuff. So that's for each event. 25 different things. Which I did not count them, but that's about as many as they are. So tons and tons of things, right? If we're if I'm doing an event outside of a meetup, if I'm doing a workshop, then there's little different tasks. There are going to be things like run Facebook ads and create a landing page or switch something on a landing page and so on and so forth. So there's a lot that goes into it. So before you go into creating a meetup group, think about whether you really want to make it awesome and blow it up and have it be a success, or if you just want to do once in a while event, don't go the meetup route, because it is really a commitment and it really takes a little bit of time to build a group. Okay, like this year I'm traveling, so it's a little bit of a struggle. However, Sharon Stolt, who is absolutely awesome, has offered to step up, and so she's been leading some of the meetings, so that's been super helpful. So that definitely helps. Having somebody who will help you with that and who will co-lead can be really mutually beneficial, because they get to grow too, and they get to stand up and share in front of people and practice their speaking and whatnot. So you can do it that way if you don't want to take a commitment on yourself. However, you still need to be the leader when it comes to branding and the kind of clients you want to attract and the message and all that, right? So you definitely still want to be the one driving it. So you don't want to defer to somebody else to come with all that, right? You still want to be the face of it and create your own. So that's my 2 cents on a meetup group. I definitely encourage you to do it if you love leading a community, if you love being around people, and if you want to grow, then definitely do it. It's been awesome. I love It's Her Business. It's been totally awesome. And sometimes, sometimes I show up and the meeting is not as great as I want it to be, and there's something to learn. Sometimes I show up and it's absolutely awesome. So there's always some growing to do from it, but overall, it really definitely is amazing. So that's what I got for you for meetups. And of course, you show up and you lead, and once in a while you teach something, which I have a mix of other people teaching things and me teaching things. If you show up, you teach something, once in a while you make an offer, yes, you're going to get clients. And it's a very non-salesy way to do it too, because people have started coming to me without actually being offered anything, and they ask me to schedule a session and things like that. So it's become much easier too. So yeah, so that's about Meetup, and I will see you in the next video.